people, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another ride. Well, like you can see, it's still dark. It's 5:30 a.m. in the morning, actually 5:20 a.m. and today being the 18th of June, it's the monsoon season. It's been raining all night and it's time for our annual monsoon ride. So today we're heading to Madikeri, as you might have seen in the title. So we have a set of boys who already reached Madikeri last evening, and we are about 6 of us who are starting today on a Saturday morning and hope to reach by 10:30, 11. We should be in Madikeri and do some trails and stay over and come back tomorrow. That's the plan. So today I'm on my Xpulse, as it's been raining and it's a short ride, so I thought let me do this on the Xpulse rather than the Africa Twin. Not much luggage, just one night luggage and plus all my camera equipment, and I'm with my rain gear, prepared for the worst. Rain is expected throughout the ride. So we met up with all the boys, all 80s mostly, and I think I'm the only one on my Xpulse today. So this is Kadamba on Mysore Road, the nice road exit. Starting off from here towards
on the honey trap.
mighty Himalayas, starting from Kashmir and then Leh, Kansar, a whole lot of exploring of the Himalayas. Stay tuned as we hit the mountains. Next. So this is the Mandalpatti base. From here we climb the hill off-roading. They don't allow cars here, so either two-wheelers or you have to take the prescribed jeep from the government. They tied up. Check out the view. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. What happened? Ticket. Ticket. Right solana. The steeper one. That looks more interesting. No, ಇದು 80 ಹತ್ತಲ್ಲ. One section.
A stranger to your beauty, my naivety, and I fall on the honey trap.
ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. There's no sign of rain here. Dry ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಫುಲ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಮಳೆ ಇದ್ದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. There's not much rain. It's quite dry only.
Well, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and do like my Facebook fan page, which is also Djmahaneet. Well, do leave your comments below or any feedback you have on my videos. Looking forward to the same.
Well, that's it for today. Catch me tomorrow as we ride back to Bangalore from this beautiful Ayantana property. Check out the drone views before I log off for the day. Here it is. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to follow me on YouTube and also on social media. It is Djmahaneet. Cheers, see you on the other side. Ciao.